sounds amazing.
This is a single brand new entry, a little bit of smoke out of the Mustang. We'll cross at 980. As he completes the he's trying to improve on an 810. And he goes 809 and 187, just like a bracket. We have families, we've got children, we have mothers, fathers, aunts, uncles, cousins, grandparents, and we're all just human beings. Nothing makes any of us different than the person sitting next to you or standing next to you. We're all just human beings. And so I want to have a quick moment of silence for TJ. We have it every single day, and today's holiday. We're going to have these. Please keep him safe and watch over us, to keep the racer safe, to make our qualifying today go smoothly, and for our elimination to be perfect tomorrow. Thank you. So, I want you to get your phone out.
Yo, what's good? I'm Mr. Kippolized. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the last day, well, my last day of Texas 2K. This trip has been a blast. One of my favorite trips that I probably have taken throughout the year so far. Don't worry, I have more trips coming up. But right now, heading to the other side, showing you guys the last little bit. Ignore the wind, really loud. One thing about it, ooh, the sun is, you guys can't see me. One thing about it is the sun is beaming, but the wind has been kicking all day. But yeah, man, this has been a hell of a trip. But we're gonna come down, check out some more cars, some new faces here. I know Boosted Lucky's here as well before we wrap up our trip. Let's make our way this way. Look at this Hellcat, bro. Oh, wait a minute. Didn't I see him at a car meet the other night? Wait a minute. As we make our way to the line, we have the fastest GTRs, X58s, B58s in the world. Ooh. The amount of cars out here is insane, bro. All these people have deep pockets enough to be throwing hundreds of thousands of dollars into racing out here. Look at this. The GTRs, the Shop Houston back over there. Yeah, they have a lot of options. Drop it down in the comments what car is or was your favorite so far of this trip. Oh my gosh, I'm so black. You can't see me, the sun. Oh, like I said, some new cars. Haven't seen this Huracan yet. Pretty clean. Kyle Thomas, R34 GTR. Seen this already, that twin turbo truck, F-150. It's a Urus over here. I don't think I showed you guys this. It is R34. So clean, so pretty. Over here we see the Urus. I don't know what that is going over there. Oops, an ID. Thing sounds good. And then we have the big old Volkswagen Golf GTI, something like that, I think. Escalade and a Wagoneer, something like that. This vlog, just the wind itself. The wind is so hectic. Can barely hear me because of the wind. Look at this thing. Cheeky twin turbos. I'm debating whether or not I want a funnel cake. I don't know. Something in my eye. I don't know. Should I get one? Should I get one? Should I get one? And I'm already walking over here, so I'm probably gonna get one. Bag secured. Got me a funnel cake. I'm gonna eat this and we're gonna get back to the racing, all right?
Curry will go 8:25 at once.
As we leave the arena, we check out the motorcycles that are out here. Let me step over that man's stuff. Scat Pack wide body Honda Civic. Before we officially leave the track for the last time this year, we're gonna stop by and see what kind of spectator cars we got out here. Because when I tell you, some of these spectator cars are insane. They are insane, bro. Like, some of these people be having like the craziest cars on a drag tire out here in this grass lot. So let me show you guys what we got out here. Up in the front, we have a Z01, a Chevy SS, and a CTSV. All line them next to each other. Got ourselves a wrapped lavender purple 5.0 with the GT500 front bumper. We have a GT500, okay, the Kia Stinger 5.0. Then we have ourselves a Shelby truck. That's dope. Next to this Shelby GT500 with the cow hood. Yep, GT500 with the cow hood. That is tough. Along with the C8, another GT500. Ooh. On a tire at that. This thing is insane. As we keep going back, we got this little C25 Blackwing Challenger Supra Z01 over there. Another Mustang. Twin turbos out the hood, actually. Two of SS with the high rim out the hood. G82. Another Cadillac. 5.0. BMW. Oh snap, that truck. Insane. Chevy SS, the Holland C8. Another Camaro SS with the cow hood. Sorry, the high rim, not cow hood. And then we have, oh my gosh, those fat tires. Hellcat, Scat Pack. We have a C6 regular base model. What else we got out here? 5.0. F-150, just casual. Beautiful Mustang over there on bag with the cow hood. That thing is another 5.0 rolling up, leaving out. We have a C7 with a Z06 or a Grand Sport. Looks like a Grand Sport, just chilling there. What else we have? A C5 peeking out the corner over there. These cars out here are absolutely crazy, man. Like, man, you ever just wish you just had like $30,000 more in your pockets than you do now? Like, just to be able to have the kind of cars like you see online, the cars you see at dealerships, and you just like, man, I just wish I owned that. You know what I'm saying? That's how I be feeling at times, bro. Like, I'm very motivated. I'm inspired. Another Camaro with the high rim, 5.0. Another GT up 2SS with the wing on it. Oh, is that a Dark Horse? No, it's like a regular S650. Now that's a Dark Horse over there. Another vet. Oh, here's my car. Okay, well, we found where I belong. Man, it keeps on going back. Like, when I tell you there's like so many cars out here, it just keeps on going. Just sat on the car and I forgot to show you guys. Also a CTSV Subaru WRX and looks like a Camaro on the trailer. I can't even tell. I don't even know what kind of tail lights those are. Can't even tell. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up this Texas 2K adventure at the track, at least. Next video is gonna be the last meet I go to out here. Is the after party, like the most craziest, the wildest, the most eventful, I guess, car event of the year out here. You know what I'm saying? Probably the biggest one of the year. Probably so. Outside of like SEMA, but I don't even think that, I'm not even gonna count SEMA. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that sounds good. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed all of these vlogs. They've all been real fun filled, have been an amazing adventure. I loved every single part of it. I love filming it and I love editing these videos for you guys to watch and enjoy along with me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back next year for Texas 2K again. Let's keep that as a reminder. I'm gonna miss this place, bro. I miss Texas every time I leave. I miss it so much. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm out.